Today we are going to learn seconds pendulum. What is a seconds pendulum? A seconds pendulum is a pendulum which takes 1 second to go from one extremity to another extremity. Right? For example, if I draw, this is the fixed support and this is the pendulum. This is the main position of the pendulum and this is another extremity. So the time taken to go from this extremity to this extremity is 1 second. Then the pendulum is known as a seconds pendulum. Now, as you know that the time period of the pendulum is the time taken to complete one cycle, which means to go from here to here and again return back to the same point. If this position is A, B, then time period is defined as the time taken to go from A to B and again from B to A. So, since the seconds pendulum takes a time 1 second to go from A to B, so it will take 2 seconds to go from A to B and again come back from B to A. So the time period of a seconds pendulum is 2 seconds. Now, as we all know, that time period of a pendulum is given by 2 pi under L by G, where L is the length of the pendulum and G is the acceleration due to gravity. Now, this time period, capital T is 2 here. So let us write 2 pi. And since G is 10, let us take the value of G as 10 for calculation purposes. So what do we get? We get L, the value of L is somewhere around 0.99, better to take 1 meter almost, approximately 1 meter. L is approximately 1 meter. L is approximately 1 meter. So the length of a seconds pendulum is 1 meter and its time period is 2 seconds. Now, due to the change of place, there is a loss or gain of time in a pendulum. Why this happens? Because for a pendulum, the time period depends on G. And as we all know that G varies with latitude, with height on the surface of the earth, with depth. Right? So let us take how the time period of a pendulum varies with G. We all know that E is equal to 2 pi under L by G, and therefore if we go to another place, G becomes G dash and G becomes T dash. So T dash is equal to 2 pi under root L by G dash. So T dash by T, T dash by T is equal to under root G by G dash is equal to G by G dash. Okay, so this is the formula which we will be using for the change in variation of G, the time period of a simple pendulum or seconds pendulum, any pendulum, how it varies with the acceleration due to gravity. Now, uh, let us learn the effect of height. Now, time period varies with height. We all know that G dash by G was equal to R plus H whole square. So T dash by T, so T dash by T, and as under R plus H whole square as T dash by T was equal to G by G dash, as T dash by T was equal to G dash by G by G dash. Okay. So this is equal to plus H by plus H by this is how the time period varies with height. Effect of depth. Effect of depth was dash by G dash 20 G, G dash H. So this is how dash minus with H. This is it for today. Next class we will do from some problems.